Forest Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 550, effective until 4 a.m. Monday, or 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, McLean, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois; Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois; Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois; Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana; Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana; and Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means persons should remain on the lookout for changing weather conditions and listen for later assistance and possible warnings. Listen to weather radio, commercial radio, and public, or advance sources of the latest weather information.